I am using my Kali Linux device, and I advise every pen tester to install their own VM, Oracle. Now I visit the website, you can see the roadmaps. Roadmaps will guide you through learning a certain part of cybersecurity. You want to follow the roadmap aimed at pen testing. Each roadmap is made from paths, and each path within the wider roadmaps is very detailed, and will provide you with a comprehensive experience from start to end. Select a path and have a look inside to see what it provides you. By following roadmaps and inside that path you can gather the fundamental knowledge needed for pen testing. Let's take a look at this one. You can read through the information, ticking off tasks as you go. Here we have a machine. I'm starting the machine. You have two options. You can use inbuilt attack boxes or use proper Kali VM. For this demonstration we are doing it in proper mode with proper Kali VM. Now I'm going to show you how to connect to the network of machines in and Tryhackme. We are now going to download the VPN configuration file and connect over OpenVPN from our own Kali Linux machine. We run the command and the machine connects to the VPN, meaning that we are now able to access what we could on the attack box from our very own machine. I'll demonstrate this by pinning the target and then browsing the website on Firefox. As you can see, we can now access this from our own Firefox browser rather than the attack box. This means you have the comfort of an OS like Kali Linux with brilliant tools for pen testing. I'm finally showing you challenges. These are for once you are confident of your knowledge and want to put it into practice in a CTF scenario which can absolutely model a real-life pen test. They can be categorized into red for pen testing, blue for defense, and purple for a mixture, as you may be familiar. They allow you to practice your skills and go from zero to root on a vulnerable target machine. They come in different difficulties. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope this has helped.